A lot of questions about losing power and what kind of garage door opener should I have for my garage. I mean, we deal directly with LiftMaster. LiftMaster is one of the greatest garage door openers on the market. Now, when they ask about that, you know, the half horsepower unit definitely can open and close any garage door. There are some bigger ones out there. I don't think there's any smaller. I think they quit making the third horse.
I haven't seen the one.
You want to make sure that, you know, during a hurricane, due to the power surges, Roger had hinted on this earlier, you want to unplug the garage door.
Absolutely.
Because if you take a power surge, there's a circuit board on the back of it, and it'll knock out the photo eyes, the wall station, your remote controls, and then you'll still have to buy a brand new operator. Roger wanted to talk about a little bit about the battery backup. You get a lot of customers that ask you about that, correct?
Yes. One option that we offer is a LiftMaster motor with a backup battery. What that means is if you lose power, when you get home, you can still push your button in your car to get into the garage door.
How many operations do they have on that offhand?
I believe it's 10.
That's what I thought too. I thought it was 10 operations. So yeah, I mean, it'll definitely get you open and closing a couple of times, and hopefully by that time you'll get the power back on and things like that. Most of the time too, nowadays we're seeing most houses have in-house generators, which that's great. If you do have an in-house generator, you do not need to unplug your garage door because you shouldn't have any surges.